how to turn off activity status on Instagram. So here we are on Instagram, and from here, what we're gonna do is that we are simply gonna tap on the profile icon here on the bottom right. And in here, you wanna tap on the three horizontal bars right here on the top right. And once you're here, you can just simply go to the search bar for an easier process by tapping here. You want to type activity. And you should now be seeing show activity status. You want to tap on that. And from here, you can just simply turn this off so that you would be able to turn off actively status on Instagram, which means other users will now not be able to see that you are online here on Instagram. So basically, you want to make sure that this is colored gray, not black like this, because that would mean that it's turned on. Make sure that it is gray like this. And take note that you will also not be able to see if other users are currently active or not. So it goes both ways. And that's it.